非常感谢演员的精彩表演。接下来为大家带来的是孟丽君探病。才女孟丽君家遭株连，只得女扮男装离家出走。临行前自画图像赠给未婚夫黄埔少华。3年后，孟丽君科考夺魁，官拜丞相。少华沙场征战，凯旋而归。发誓非孟丽君不娶。少华发现丞相的外貌与邓丽君极其相像，于是假称得病，请丞相前去探视。孟丽君在少华家中看到自己的自画像，百感交集。少华劝说孟丽君消除顾虑，意欲夫妻相认。
Next, we have Meng Lijun explores the truth. The talented Meng Lijun's family is unjustly accused and persecuted, forcing her to disguise herself as a man and leave home. Before leaving, she paints a self-portrait and gifts it to her fiancé, Huang Pu Shaohua. 3 years later, Meng excels in the imperial examination and becomes the prime minister. Huang returns to find his fiancée. However, when he realizes that the prime minister looks like Meng, he pretends to be sick. Her feelings become very complicated when she sees her self-portrait in Huang's study room. Huang passionately expresses his love and tries to persuade her to reveal her identity.
雷云扮演黄埔少华，她扮相英俊，陆派韵味浓厚。魏芳扮演孟丽君，她各流派唱腔游刃有余，王派尤佳。
Tracy Lei plays Huang. Fang Wei plays Meng. Tracy Lei, with her pretty movements, embodies the style of the Lu school. Fang Wei, known for her versatility in different schools, beautifully embodies the style of the Wang school. Please enjoy the performance.